Hey guys, another day, another mini or short vlog for my kitten and me. So here we go, Cookie, Autumn, and Winter. So I have one tortoiseshell cat and two British short hair cat. So here we go. Here is their daily activities. Tulog lang, kain, laro. Diba? Ang ganda ng buhay nila. Dan yan si Autumn, ang cute. Yan si Winter, ang cute. And of course, nag-hairbrush sila. And then we have our cuddle. And they have their playtime as well. Ayan. Cuddle Company, Tortoiseshell. So si Tortoiseshell is based in England. Tapos the British Shorthair ones, Winter and Autumn, they are both based in the Philippines. Ayan. So, can't wait to see them, guys. I haven't seen them yet. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? Yeah, sana. Parang buntis na daw yata si Autumn, pero hindi pa yun confirm. Ipapa-confirm pa. Pero bata pa sila. Mga cats pala, no? Bata silang naglalandi. Ayan. So, ang cute. Nakakaalis talaga sila ng stress and all. Yung purring nila, it can heal you. So, sa mga cat lover dyan, follow na, subscribe na. And there you go. Bye. Thank you.